Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you crop image in Word. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Word application. Wait for a while it is opening. After opening the Word, tap on the blank page to start your project. After starting your project, you have to drag a file from the desktop or any file to the Word project and just paste it on the blank file. After pasting it on your Word file, you have to tap on Format, and in Format you will find the option of Crop. Tap on it and it will give you option of Crop, so you can crop your image. You can crop your image easily according to your desire. Just crop your image and set it according to your project. This is how you can crop your image in your Word file. I hope you like the video and I hope this video will help you in any way. By following these steps, you can crop your image in Word. Thank you so much for watching the video.